Hey, welcome to my new video. I have an amazing opportunity to share. Today, I'd like to talk about one very promising project. Not the project as a whole, but mostly about its staking system that has been recently launched on BakerySwap. It is time for big gains. The project has been quite successful so far, and it's about to get even bigger. So let me tell you what that project is and how you can make 873% profit by staking it.
So, not to keep it long, here is the well-known image generation AI project. We are now on the BakerySwap website. This is an exchange and also a decentralized trading platform, so there is an opportunity to participate in the staking program of top projects. I added a link to it right in the description and pinned comment. The next step is to connect your MetaMask or Trust wallet. This can be easily done by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. After connecting your wallet to the system, we need to open the staking page. There, we can see what coins BakerySwap offers for staking. But I am first of all most interested in the offer for IMGNAI staking, because it's the most profitable offer available at the moment. We can earn up to 873% a year. That's an incredibly profitable rate. What can I say? At least every other known investors are already in on this offer. I personally know people who already invested $100,000. And just to see where you stand, when you invest $100,000, the investor receives about $2,400 a day. Not a bad choice of investment, is it? Okay, I'm gonna keep the video short. Let's have a quick look at what we need to do to start earning the passive income. I'm going to stake 457,331 IMGNAI tokens. This will allow me to make around $240 a day passively. What we do next is click on the stake button and confirm the transaction in our wallet. Now we have to wait for the transaction to go through, and right after that, the total amount of tokens staked will appear on our balance. Right, the transaction has received the required amount of confirmations, and we see the amount of coins we sent to stake. I forgot to tell you that you can unstake your tokens at any time. This is an additional advantage of this platform. When you click the unstake button, your tokens will be unstaked and you will receive them almost instantly in your wallet. So friends, our tokens are staked. But to show you all the way through, let's take 24 hours to check how many tokens we managed to earn. Hello to everyone. It's been 24 hours for me and a couple of seconds for you. You can see that in 24 hours, I made just over 10,972 IMGNAI tokens. We couldn't be happier. It's such a great way of passive income, and more importantly, it's guaranteed. As long as this offer from BakerySwap is active, I will send my free crypto assets here for staking.
So that's it. Now you know how to take part in this exclusive staking event held on BakerySwap. I hope you watched the video till the end and won't pass up on a chance to rake in 873% in passive income. You can find the link below this video. Go to the platform right now and stake your tokens. That's all for now. Thank you for staying with us. I wish you great profits. Invest, but do it wisely.